Good morning, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Today I'm going to be installing my saddlebags. I picked up some Saddleman Saddlebags. That's the medium size off of eBay. First thing you need to do is remove the seat. In order to remove the seat, of course you got to remove the bolt that's back here. And there's a 10mm nut underneath the fender. So once you remove that, seat will come out. Then that'll give you access to your CDI. And if you got, when you go to adjust valves or whatever, you can remove your tank. Those two bolts right here. Now I got the seat removed. I have some saddlebag supports. I'll remove these bolts here, which I already loosened up. And I picked up, these are some of the brackets. It all pieced together in a little while, but I had to go to a hardware store and pick up some longer bolts. The ones that came in were about a 1/2 inch short. Those are 8mm by 3 inches long. As you can see, those carriage bolts did a nice job finishing it off. Good and snug. And now time to throw the saddlebags on. As you can see, these fit perfect on here. Right at the rear blanket. This misses the seat bolt. So once the seat's put on, it'll be good and snug on there. It won't move. Just need to center it off. Put the seat back on. So there she is with the bags all installed. I think it came out pretty good. This side. And that's perfect fit on there. Couldn't did a better job picking the right size bags. And these bags do have Velcro that holds them down beside the straps. But you know, plenty of room. Got my frog togs in there. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this afternoon I'm going to try to get a ride video in and post that later on. Don't forget to visit Venom Motorsports USA. Use the discount code JerryHawk250. You can get 50 bucks off any bike or ATV. And don't forget to visit ChinaRiders.net to learn all about these Chinese bikes. Not a thing wrong with them. They are great.